Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create high quality trees for Blender. This is Blender 5.0. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step to create a trees. First, you can just go to the Google image to just search for the tree images. So the keywords to search, you need to just type a tree, then type PNG transparent. So from here, you are going to search the high quality tree pictures. Just for example, this one, or just some other trees. It is up to you. It's your choice. You have to make sure the background is transparent. Let's say if I want this, I can just right click, then save the image as first. Then I'm going to just save it on my desktop. Alright, now I have this PNG trees. And next, we need to just use the AI to just generate this high quality image to become a 3D model. So now I'm going to just open the Meshy. You can just enter the Meshy through my video description link. I'm going to just go to the workplace, then go to the image to 3D from here. Then just drag and drop your image to here. Drag the tree image into here, drag and drop. That's the first step. Next, the name just type as tree01. So the model type standard, the rest just make sure of the setting. The pose is for humans, just do not adjust here. Then click generate. It is creating a task, so just need to wait for a few seconds. It is going to appear somewhere at here. Right, now you can see it is here, it is generating. You can just wait for maybe about 1 minute. It is going to finish generating. Alright, now you can see it already generated. It already generated the 3D model. We just click it and the texture is not ready yet. So just wait for a few seconds. You can see the tree is already done. This is the 3D model. Then what you need to do is click the texture. Then just to make sure you generate the texture, click it. It will generate according to the original picture that you inserted here. So it created a fresh new texturing task set here. Just wait for a few seconds. It will be ready very soon. Alright, now you can see it done. It already created. I just need to click and have a view. This is the tree that based on this picture. It's generated from the AI. Right now. Alright, now you can see the trunk here. It is not the brown color, but it's okay. Later we can just adjust it in Blender. It is very easy. So we are going to just download this first and download as FBX file. It will be easier. Right now it already started. You can see it downloading. So now I'm going to just open the file that already downloaded. Alright, I'm going to just paste it on my desktop. It already downloaded as a zip file. Just right click, extract to the folder. Now just double click to open. It is here. So I'm going to just import it into Blender 5. Just click and just press A and just press delete to delete everything. Then I just drag and drop the FBX file into the Blender. Import the FBX. Once you click import the FBX, it is going to just need to delay a few seconds. Now it is already done. Just open the material texture and we are going to have a look. This is the tree. And Alright, this high quality trees, finally, it already in Blender. And from the beginning, it is just a piece of picture. It is just a PNG picture from the Google image. And finally, I already just make it as a 3D model that you can use it in your 3D animations in your Blender 5.0. And we are using the Meshy. You can just go to my video description, access from the link that given by me. We are using the Meshy to perform the AI 3D modeling. Finally, it is already in Blender as a 3D model. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!